Hoffman is a famous scientist. His full name is Howard Hoffman. He was born in June 18 of 1937 on Zlotów, Polish. He studied in Columbia and graduated in Harvard. He has an institution, Cornell University, and his advisor was William Lipscomb. And he has a wife and two sons. The name of his wife is Eva Borgerson. He won 15 prizes: the ACS Pure Chemistry Award in 1969, the Arthur C. Cope Award in 1973, the Linus Pauling Award in 1974, the Ramsay Award in 1980, the William H. Nichols Medal in 1981, the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1981, the National Medal of Science in 1983.
Good night, Mr. Howard.
Good night, Mr. Olaf.
Mr. Howard, we all know you are a renowned scientist, but can you tell us about your early life?
No, yes, I can. I was born in Zlotów, a second Polish republic, to a Polish Jewish family. In the Second World War, I was caught by the Germans and sent to the Holocaust, but I managed to escape. And after this, I studied in Columbia and graduated in Harvard.
That's so nice. Mr. Howard, what did you study in Harvard, and what made you study this?
I studied chemical energy because I started to like when I was studying Columbia with no reason special.
That's so nice. Mr. Howard, what are your most famous theory, and which prizes have you won?
My most famous theory is the structure of the matter on Earth millions of years ago. I won 15 prizes, but my most famous one is the Nobel Prize.
That's so nice. But with such an interesting life, what do you do in your free time?
I write poems and write plays.
That's so nice. Thank you, Mr. Howard.
Hello, Nicholas Tesla.
Hello, Larissa.
You are okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, you can.
So, where you born?
I'm born this million, currently belongs Croatia.
What kind of energy do you study?
I study hydroelectric energy.
Many people judge you to have discovered this.
They taught me as mad scientist.
What college did you study?
I studied in the 1875 as 1878 in the Grace Technological University. In 1817 as 1875 I studied in Karlovac Gymnasium.
Where did you practice your experiments?
I do my experiments in a place a little far away in New York City.
I was born in Salford, United Kingdom. My family was rich and we owned a brewery. I received instructions from Joe Dalton in science and math to study. I was attracted in physics, especially the study of heat. I was studying the relationship between heat, work, and temperature. I was experimenting with fluids like water. I found that when I agitated the fluid, the temperature increased. Thermal energy is the energy that comes from a substance whose molecules and atoms are vibrating faster due to a rise in temperature. First, I will explain where the thermal energy is applied. In thermal power plants, and it works if a water boiler that is heated and produces steam. Then comes the kinetic energy, that is soon transformed into electric energy.
One of the best types to generate waste energy is using solid wastes or liquid wastes. For charge your cell phone using waste energy 1%, you need 15 volts. For charge 5%, you need 13 volts. But the waste energy is not so strong to charge a cell phone. Such electricity heads or fuel, the solid waste can be converted into gas to produce energy. In Europe, Asia, and United States, only use waste energy to produce power and is not so strong to send a rocket to the space.
Hi, Leonardo da Vinci. How are you?
I'm Fini, and how are you?
I'm Fini too. So I would like to ask you some questions, okay?
Okay.
So, how is sound energy produced?
Well, sound energy is produced when a force causes an object or substance to vibrate. The sound energy is then transferred through the substance in waves, called sound waves.
Cool, but how did you discover this sound?
I discovered sound in military Projeto, but I discovered the traveling of sound waves.
Whoa! And what are the advantages for sound energy?
The advantages are operation and maintenance are very low. It does not require any kind of is a renewable source of energy and it is pollution free.
And what are the disadvantages of sound energy?
A disadvantage is that as the sound produces a relatively low level of energy. This becomes less profitable compared to other forms waves.
Wow, how interesting. I really enjoyed meeting you, Leonardo da Vinci.
You also like to meet you.
Thanks for coming. See you later.
Goodbye.